Essential synonyms and their meaning for upcoming all-competitive exams. Number 11. Absurd. Nearest meaning words: ridiculous, ludicrous, preposterous, foolish, bizarre. Number 12. Abundant. Nearest meaning words: plentiful, ample, copious, bountiful, lavish. Number 13. Abusive. Nearest meaning words: offensive, insulting, rude, harsh, hurtful. Number 14. Accelerate. Nearest meaning words: speed up, hasten, expedite, quicken, advance. Number 15. Accept. Nearest meaning words: receive, admit, acknowledge, agree, consent. Number 16. Accessible. Nearest meaning words: reachable, available, obtainable, approachable, handy. Number 17. Acclaim. Nearest meaning words: praise, applaud, commend, laud, celebrate. Number 18. Accommodate. Nearest meaning words: lodge, house, shelter, adapt, adjust. Number 19. Accompany. Nearest meaning words: escort, follow, attend, companion, chaperone. Number 20. Accomplish. Nearest meaning words: achieve, attain, complete, fulfill, execute. Number 21. Accord. Nearest meaning words: agreement, harmony, conformity, treaty, pact. Number 22. Accumulate. Nearest meaning words: gather, collect, amass, hoard, pile up. Number 23. Accurate. Nearest meaning words: precise, exact, correct, right, true. Number 24. Accuse. Nearest meaning words: blame, charge, impute, indict, prosecute. Number 25. Achieve. Nearest meaning words: accomplish, attain, obtain, realize, gain. Number 26. Acknowledge. Nearest meaning words: admit, recognize, concede, accept, confess. Number 27. Acquire. Nearest meaning words: obtain, gain, attain, procure, secure. Number 28. Active. Nearest meaning words: energetic, lively, dynamic, vigorous, brisk. Number 29. Actual. Nearest meaning words: real, genuine, true, authentic, factual. Number 30. Adapt. Nearest meaning words: adjust, modify, acclimate, accommodate, conform.